What's up, everybody? This is Noah for Noah's Toy Review. Today, we're going to be unboxing some cool skates.
So, over here you see the skates. You have the pink one and the blue one. So, this time I'm going to do the blue because that's my favorite color. Yes, go open it. My roller skates. Yes, go ahead and get this one. This one's so big. Oh my god. Whoa, these are so cool. I feel like you could ride these on ice or something. So here's what they look like. And then you just go ahead and test these out. We'll be right back.
So as you can see up close, you've got your wheels. Your max wheel is your max information by YouFu. These are what they look like. You've got your little buckle right here. To loosen up the buckle right here. Same as on this side. So he's just going to go ahead and put these on and we'll be back.
And my things skate up, but they're like so nice, but...
See, they're all nice.
Yeah, they're so nice.
And look, the skates, they light up. See?
Yeah, see that?
So every time you skate, they light up.
Yeah.
And these are what they look like.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
See, and they light up.
See the lighting, kids?
See, the skates light up.
Yeah.
This buckle here is to, if you want it to make it tighter, you just click on this button right here. If you want to loosen it up, you have a little button down here. And then you just push this right here. And then you pull from up here. Same as right here. You want to loosen up, you can click this one. And then this one right here has a little button to loosen it. You just flick that up here. And then you just pull it. And it loosens it up. You want to tighten them up, you just go ahead and flick that. And right here, you would just continue to flip this. And it will tighten up like that. And on the back side, you can see it's got a stopper here. These are what they look like from the back side. This right here is especially a big help, especially when you're putting them on. You can pull these to get them up. Noah likes them because they actually light up when you're rolling. Show them. See, they light up. With them lighting up, as you can see, they light up.
Yeah, it works.
Both sides.
Yeah, when you want to do it in the dark, do it with the dark. Whoa.
Okay, turn around, show them the back side. Same thing as here, you can see. As you can see, these are what they look like full around. Light up skates.
Yeah, and the work.
Very good put together.
Yeah, put together. Whoa. Whoa.
You like these skates? You can follow the description below. Just these skates. These are pretty good rollerblades. Yeah. Very made. You can also actually remove these. You can push this to remove that.
Yeah.
As you can see. It's on both sides. So these are what they look like. All the details will be in the description. This does come with several sizes. These are the size 3 for boys. They come in pink and purple, I believe. These are the green and blue. These do light up, so both pairs light up. Same as the other colors, they also light up. If you're interested in getting these shoes, they can click the link in the description.
Click the link below to buy these. Yeah, you can buy these on the Amazon. Subscribe this channel.
So click on the notification so you get notified every time I upload a new video.
Yeah, you want to see roller skates? Just click the link below to buy these on Amazon. Bye. Tell your parents to buy these.
Purchase these ones.
Yeah,
All the details also will be in the description about these pair of rollerbladers.
And thanks for watching.